The refrigerator stood proudly, a fortress of snacks. Laughter echoed as she opened the door, eyes gleaming with anticipation. "Nope!" The voice thundered from within, icy and grumpy. A half-eaten sandwich floated into view like a ghost from the past. Confusion painted her face. "You can talk?" She stepped back as ice clattered against the floor, a cold rebellion in full swing. Jack and Lily roared with laughter. "How can she not keep it tidy?" Their eyes sparkled with amusement at her messy dilemma. Realization dawned. Pleading wouldn't work. She squared her shoulders, ready to confront the chaotic fortress. Each swipe revealed forgotten treasures. A giggle escaped her lips as she unearthed an ancient snack, an old shriveled banana. With every scrub, the appliance lightened up. Whispers of forgotten treats danced around them, rekindling lost stories. Triumph filled her heart. "Now that's more like it," the appliance sighed, content. Their friendship was blossoming anew. With a gentle creak, the door opened. "Snack away, kid," it invited, as if welcoming her back into a cherished secret world. Delight filled her spirit. Each snack was a treasure, and each bite would carry the laughter of their newfound connection. Reflection graced her thoughts. She smiled, remembering the lessons learned amidst the quirky chaos of ice and snack tales. From that day on, respect ruled their bond. Cleanliness became a joyous pact as laughter danced through their magical kitchen once more.